What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another tutorial. I'm here with my bestest friend in the whole entire world, Tati McQuay.
We are about to teach you guys Jackie Chan.
TIÉSTO, Post Malone. It's so fun.
It's low-key like a rave, like.
Once you guys learn it, make sure you tag us on Instagram at Epic Dance Videos, hashtag Epic Dance Videos, because we want to see your covers. We've been reposting tons of covers over there. I feel like we're really far away from the camera. Do you feel it?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's take a step closer. Ow, the lens. I hit the lens on my forehead. Stupid. All right, enough talking. Dance time?
Dance time.
Let us be dance. Be the dance. All right, guys, so the way you start this routine is on your right foot. It starts off really chill. You're gonna go 1, open hands. Then you're gonna bring this down, punch and cross. Then you're gonna step back on your right leg and go ging, ging, ga. And I like to use my, hips in this part a lot, like ging, ging, ya. Throw that right hip back, yep. So just try that from the top. This is actually kind of fast, so be ready for that. It goes 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're gonna pull it through. 5, 6, and you step on your right and go body roll, yeah. And when you do that last clap from the body roll, and you hit here, you wanna send your hip to the right and then back and around. Then it's just gonna send you into this little slide through like this, around your head. And you wanna make that really smooth. So like you're like fixing your hair, like, hey, yes, Tati, fix your hair. And then he's gonna say, kick it, Jackie Chan. So you're gonna go kick, right leg. Then you're gonna go twist, twist. You're gonna go knee up, circle, circle, boom. And that's gonna make you jump. This is like, I think it's probably the hardest part of the whole dance, this little situation, because it's kind of fast. So when you do it, really important, you don't want to be standing straight up because it's going to look like this, all like floppy, flippy. And you also want to make sure you engage your abs. So when you come through this slide, you want to think of keeping everything a little bit low so that you can go really clean here. Kick, twist, twist, X, shoom, shoom, boom. Nice. When you land this, boom, you drop down. You're going to land here. Hands are open and you're crossing them. You're going to go right side pulls first, right and left, up, and then you do 2 circles with your leg and your arms. Circle, circle, then you're just gonna go bounce, bounce, and kind of chill out from there. All right, so I know that was a lot of steps, and this is like more intermediate-ish, a little bit easier routine, so if you're newer to choreo, you're probably like, wait, what was the first step? So it's okay, we're gonna go back from the top, nice and slow. You go 6, 7, 8, you hit 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, you pull down, down, yeah. 2 and 3, 4, kick it, Jackie Chan, and hit, drop down, and 3, and up, circle, circle, 7, 8. Good, now you might notice like maybe you remember the steps, but you didn't quite get the timing. That's okay, that takes a little time as well. So you'll see how when we did this, Chan, we hit 1, 2, this goes right away. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and pause, go, go, and chill, chill. So make sure you remember that timing, because then when you get it with the music, you're gonna be able to do it right the first time. All right, we'll keep going from there. Dun, dun, and easy. Step on your left, throw, again, throw. And this, like, you wanna make this step really aggressive. There's not a lot of technique. It's kind of like the uglier it is, the better it is. So just when you take your arms down, don't do this. And keep your back straight. Take your whole body with you. Down, and I even kind of, it's a little like bounce out of like, hey. So it's like, boom, and boom, yep. Then you're gonna hit a pony, which means, not like actually hit a pony, that's rude. Don't do that, that's mean. Ponies, they didn't do nothing to you. It's this is a pony or a chug in hip hop, and you're just gonna bring your right knee up. Your arms are gonna go cross, out, up, roll. So 4 arms to go with your 4 legs. So it's cross, out, up, roll. And on that last one, you kind of like, bring that leg up with it, to the front. Actually, when I do this, I'm a little bit on an angle. I feel like it gives a little more style. From here, the second one, you go in, cross, out, up, roll. Then you're gonna fall onto this right leg. So you're gonna go and up, and up. Good, so this is like a shuffle type situation here. And if you've never done any like footwork or shuffling or house dancing, anything like that, it might be a little tricky at first. I'm not the best at any of that stuff by any means, but this is a really fun step that I like to mix in, like freestyles, you know, at the festival, hit a couple steps. I'm trying to learn myself, so if anybody knows, help me out. But you just want here, the biggest thing with this is you want your feet to stop at the same time. So you don't want like one foot to stop and the other one to keep going. It's really important that you're on beat and that it's really powerful and clean. So from here, down, both feet stop, then you hop on your right, lift your left to switch, and then you come in, and then you go and hit and hit. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And right and left, and this time when you do the out, out, you're gonna turn. You're gonna go out, out. And your arms are freestyle on this one, so you can do this again, or you could like, hey, whatever you want. So it's gonna turn you around with those two kicks. So you did roll, you went 1, 2, and 8. You go 5 and 6 and 8. Last part, you're just gonna drop onto your right again. You're gonna go out, pull it back all the way in here. Then you're gonna scoop your left foot and go and scoop, body roll. Then we're gonna repeat what we did earlier. Kick it, Jackie Chan, boom. And this time, the beat is a little different, so you're not really gonna jump up here, but you're gonna freestyle. Do whatever you want. If you don't know what to do, don't stand there and look awkward. Just shake your leg or something like this. At least that. Don't do this. Yeah. Okay, you can do that, whatever, it's fun, I get it. All right, let's go from the very top. Put all the steps together, nice and slow first, just so you can get everything together in your head. You go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and hey, 5, 6, body roll, 1, 2, fix your hair, kick, ta, and 7, 8, boom, down, and 3, and stop, 5, 6, new part, throw to the left, and cross, out, up, roll, shuffle, 1, 2, and hey, and 5, 6, and yeah, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, kick, boom, got, and boom, and boom. Cool moves, free style. How'd you do? Good. Whatever you said, I'm assuming, I think they said good. So we're gonna go a little bit faster, and if you guys don't have it perfect yet, that's the point of learning something. It takes a little bit of time. Feel free to rewind. I probably couldn't have learned this routine in 10 minutes either. Tati could have learned it in 7 seconds. She literally, like, I could show her a piece one time. She's like, got it, and I do it opposite, and I can do it with one foot. Like, but I can't do that. So if you like me and you need to practice, go back, practice a couple more times. And now we're gonna do it really fast up to the normal tempo so you guys are ready to kill it with the music. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go 1, 2, 3, and hit, 5, 6, ta, boom, and 3, kick it, Jackie, boom, 2, 3, 2, and ta, hit, 5, 6, chill, 7, throw, 1, 8, 3, 8, whop, and hit, 1 and 2 and yeah, and 5 and 6 and yeah, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, kick it hot and whoop and boom, that way, Nicely done. So you guys got the routine down. Now it's time to go try it with the music. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you find me on social media at Steffanina, and I'll be back with more tutorials for you guys soon.